The aircraft you fly on today will be completely obsolete within 10 years, and what replaces it will change. Everything you think you know about the sky. Right now, in cities across the United States, electric flying taxis are already in test flights. Joby Aviation and Archer have both launched passenger-carrying eVTOL aircraft, capable of 200 miles per hour, zero emissions, with no runway required. By 2030, the U.S. Department of Transportation has officially confirmed these aircraft will be fully integrated into city airspace. You won't drive to the airport. You'll take off from the rooftop of your building. But flying taxis are only the beginning. The aircraft being designed for 2035 have no cockpit, no pilot seat, no control column. The entire fuselage is redesigned as a blended wing body, a shape so aerodynamically perfect, it uses 50% less fuel than anything flying today. Passengers sit in wellness pods, looking at real-time Earth views through digital walls. An AI system manages the entire flight, and you land at your destination in half the time it takes today. Then there's Boom Supersonic's Overture, an aircraft that will fly from New York to London in just 3 hours and 30 minutes, at Mach 1.7 faster than a bullet, with zero sonic boom heard on the ground, thanks to new aerodynamic shaping technology. 55 airlines have already placed orders. The world's oceans are about to shrink. Meanwhile, on the ground, airports themselves are being reinvented. China's Dalian Jinzhou Bay Airport is being built entirely on the ocean, an artificial island designed to handle the world's fastest-growing aviation market. And the industry is facing a shocking reality. By 2050, more than 40,000 new aircraft will be needed. But Boeing and Airbus combined can only deliver 26,000. The question isn't what will fly. It's whether we can build them fast enough. NASA's X-66 aircraft is already in development, with radical ultra-long wings that cut fuel burn by 30% compared to anything in the air today. Sustainable aviation fuel is being blended into global jet fuel right now. And AI maintenance systems at Delta Airlines have already reduced aircraft downtime by 35%. The sky is not the limit anymore. It's just the beginning. Subscribe, because the future of aviation is arriving faster than you think.